Hello everyone. So if I'm audible till there, please raise your hand. Great. So the first question that I would like to ask all of you is, how many of you here are already successful entrepreneurs? Please raise your hand. Anybody who is already a successful entrepreneur or who has started on the journey of success or entrepreneurship. The first thing before I move on with my talk and whatever I have to share with all of you, is it okay if I can take just 2 minutes of your time to share about me, because I know what must be going, how can a little young girl teach me about entrepreneurship. So hi everyone, my name is Gargi Arya. I'm an 18-year-old young entrepreneur who has built her 2 businesses. The first one of coaching. I'm a life and a business coach, helping over 160 people change their lives in terms of mental health issues. Thank you so much. And the second business that I run is of Freedom Ventures, a digital marketing agency. And today I'm not here to boast about myself or not to let you know that, you should be impressed. But I'm here to impress upon you that if I can start my journey at the age of 13 and take it all over to 18 and many more years to go, why can't you? So the first thing, let me decode the journey of a successful entrepreneur. If you are an aspiring person who is starting on this journey, the first thing is know your brand value. How many of you would agree that how many of you would agree with me that your story is powerful? Please raise your hand if you feel that your story is powerful. And to all the people who are not raising your hands, I want you to know that when you come and speak, people actually want to hear. How many of you would agree? So a brand, the first thing, if you are starting on building your brand, the first thing I want you to know, be clear on the message. Be clear on what you want to position yourself. What kind of legacy do you want to build? Because can I tell you, you are not here to just simply go to school, be in college, do all the job stuff and then keep waiting for your marriage and all these things. But how many of you would agree, if you are landed on earth, you are here to build something extremely valuable? Anybody like that? Please just raise your hand. So first thing I want to tell you, build your brand and be clear on the message. The second thing, we live in a world of social media, and if you think getting clients is very difficult, let me tell you, you just need to be consistent. When you are consistent, you can win the game of organic marketing. How many of you would agree? So be consistent on social media, talk about your brand, talk about, every single thing. You need to understand that even before you go out into the marketing, the first thing you need to build is what? A great product. A solid product. How many of you would agree? Because until and unless you don't have a product, people don't really know what you want to do or what you want to teach. How many of you would agree? So the third thing is build a Godfather solid business product, or be clear on the audience first of all. When I started my journey, I used to say I want to help everyone. And then my mentors used to tell me, Gargi, you know what, if you want to help everyone, you're actually not helping anyone. Are all of you able to understand? So anyone who is starting on this journey, please be aware of your audience. See who you want to help, then only your message can be clear. And the last thing that I want to conclude by saying is, entrepreneurship is not a one-day journey, it's not a 1-year journey. It takes a lot of patience, efforts, consistency, and a lot of investment. First of all, a lot of self-belief in you. How many of you would agree? So I would like to conclude by saying that, you are somebody, or you have somebody inside you. You just need to believe in that person and then create your own legacy. Thank you so much.